Yes, it's possible. ChatGPT can create scalable income streams, like digital products and courses, with the right strategy and effort. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort after initial work. ChatGPT automates tasks like content creation, making it easier to scale. Some of the best streams include ebooks, online courses, digital templates, blogging, and subscription services. Select a niche topic and let ChatGPT help you outline, write, and format your ebook for publishing. Tools like Canva, Gumroad, WordPress, and email marketing platforms enhance ChatGPT's capabilities. Setting up passive income varies in time. Ebooks may take a few weeks, while blogs and courses could take months. Yes, ChatGPT assists with creating engaging content to promote affiliate products, helping you earn commissions. To scale to $50,000, diversify income streams, optimize for SEO, automate processes, and expand your reach. Risks involve market saturation and inconsistent sales. Stay updated, diversify offerings, and ensure quality outputs. Yes, beginners can start small with templates or blogs and scale as they gain experience and confidence. Promote through social media, utilize SEO for traffic, run ads, and build an email list to engage customers. ChatGPT automates content creation, significantly saving time in developing and managing income-generating assets. ChatGPT is a powerful tool for passive income. With creativity and strategy, you can work towards earning $50,000 or more.